Hi guys, I'm so sorry about the mic and how I talk in this video. I literally just realized that. So sorry about the mic and stuff. But today we're gonna be playing Bed Wars. And yeah, that's basically it. So, in a comment down below, I want you, or actually, we'll play Sky Wars first, and then we'll play Bed Wars because I love Sky Wars. Sometimes I win literally every round, and then I'm I literally die in 2 seconds. So to do it, dang it. This do name put up the second. Oh yay! We're already almost there. All right. I'm so comfy. I literally love this game. I also love you guys. I don't only... People think people don't like me. Oh, gosh. Glitch. Oh. No. This say yeah. This dude named Macaulay put up the sack, and this is food. Don't make me go home. Did you hear that? That sock. Oh, should I go to his face? If someone comes, what are they gonna give? We're playing Bed Wars. Okay. Yes. Comment down below if I should do it live because I honestly do not know how to do it live. So please in the comments, can someone please, literally please teach me how to go live. Alright, we're playing Bed Wars. I don't think anybody watches my videos. So I just make this for fun. So basically we're playing 4v4v4. Requested. That's how the guy spelled requested. Right here. I'm good. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm kind of done playing Minecraft. I'm sorry, but okay. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not, and turn on the post notifications bell and click all because I hope you guys don't want to miss out all my videos that I made because I'll be sad. I want people to subscribe. I literally have 9 subscribers. So please subscribe, please. Thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and stay